Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm MJ from MJ Planner, and today I am quickly going to show you how I take and edit my Instagram pictures. So first off, wipe off your camera. Those lenses, they need to be wiped off, just so there are no smudges or fingerprints or anything. So that's the first step. The second step that I do is I open up the camera app. This is the camera app. I only use the camera app. I am not sure. I know there are a lot of other camera apps that people use, but I just use the camera that comes along with the phone. So that's the second thing. The next thing I do is to style my picture. So if I want to basically have like a planner stack picture, let's see. I'm gonna sit that down so I can style it how I want to. This kind of looks messy, but we'll just go with it. Okay, so get the planner or get the phone out and start taking pictures. So you're gonna just take pictures from whatever, like several different angles. Just make sure that you get several shots so you can edit them. If one doesn't work, then try another one. Let's see, take a picture of that. And battery. Okay. That. Okay, so got enough pictures for now. Actually, one more picture of that. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into the Lightroom app and just open up some of the pictures that I took. Let's go with this one. So I always start with the lighting, and the lighting really is the big part about this. There's exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. So hold on, this is moving and I don't need it to move. So I start with the exposure, and I always brighten it a little bit. And after I brighten it, I check the contrast to see what looks better. So in this case, more contrast looks better. Then highlights, put it up a little bit. Shadows, again, shadows is one where you can go up or down. There's no like general rule, but whatever just kind of looks best for the picture. Whites, same, and blacks, which I'm going to turn the blacks down just a little bit so it can kind of pop. So then I go to color. So color is a big one, especially for people who get kind of that yellow tone from their like tungsten lighting. I always go to white balance and I pick what is white in this picture, and it changes the white balance. So if I pick this kind of cream color, it would make it very cool. If I clicked white, this very white color, it'll make it a little warm. And so I kind of veer more toward the cool side, but not that cool. So I'll go with this white balance. And so I'll still turn the temperature down just a little bit, so it's not too warm. So also vibrance and saturation. Sometimes I up the saturation just a little bit for like when I have different colors in here, like these pinks. And then I move on to detail. And for detail, I just sharpen it. I don't ever go all the way to the top. I just kind of sharpen it just a little bit to make the details stand out. And yeah, after that, I don't use any other ones here. So after that, if I like how this turned out, let me show you the before and after. If I like how this turned out, I will go ahead and press this little three dots and click create preset, and I'll name it pretty pink. Let's go with that. Okay, so I'll name it, press that check mark. So next time you take a picture under these settings, like with the same kind of lighting, then you can access it from the presets part right here. So yeah, that's how I edit my picture. So I'm gonna show you guys a before and after of this picture, and yeah, I hope you guys like it, or like this very mini tutorial. Please leave a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment, subscribe. I really like to engage with you guys. So yeah, let's get talking. You can also find this preset. I'm gonna probably link it for free. You'll need the Lighthouse or the Lightroom app, and I believe, I'm not sure if you have to pay for it. I pay for it because I use several other features with my computer as well. Well, that's how I edit and create my pictures. All right, bye.